Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to set a static IP address for your device in your router. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Let's break down everything you need to know to set a static IP address for your device in your router, step by step. We'll cover some key concepts first. Key concepts: DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. What it is: a network management protocol used to automatically assign IP addresses to devices on a network. How it works: when a device connects to a network, it requests an IP address from the DHCP server, usually the router. The server assigns an available IP address from its pool. Router range, pool. This refers to the entire range of IP addresses that the router can manage within a given network, such as 192.168.1.1 to 192.168.1.254 in the 192.168.1.x subnet. The address 192.168.1.255 is reserved as a broadcast address and not used for individual devices. DHCP range, pool, a subset of the router's IP range used by the DHCP server to dynamically assign IP addresses. For example, within the 192.168.1.x subnet, the DHCP pool might be set from 192.168.1.100 to 192.168.1.200, leaving other addresses for static IP assignments. The router IP address. The router IP address, or the default gateway, is the IP address of your router, often 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1, used to access the router settings. Static IP address. What it is: an IP address that is manually assigned to a device and doesn't change. Useful for devices that require a consistent address, like printers or servers. Static IP versus DHCP. Unlike DHCP, a static IP address does not change over time. Notes: while it's possible to set a static IP within the DHCP pool, it's safer to keep static IPs outside the pool, or use DHCP reservations for consistent IP assignments without conflict. Customize the DHCP range within private address spaces to fit your network needs. For example, set the DHCP range from 192.168.1.2 to 192.168.1.99, leaving the rest for static IP assignments. Our video on how to change the DHCP range in your router might help you. The link is in the description below. Setting a static IP address in your router. Access router settings. Open a web browser and enter your router's IP address, commonly 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1, in the address bar. This will take you to the router's login page. Our video on how to find the IP address of your router in Windows and Linux systems might help you. The link is in the description below. Enter your router's username and password, commonly admin and admin. If you haven't changed these from the default, they are often found on a sticker on the router itself or in the router's manual. Look for a section labeled Network Settings or LAN Settings or Local Network in the router settings menu. Assign a static IP address. Find the option to assign static IP addresses, sometimes called DHCP reservation or DHCP static IP or static IP. Enter the MAC address of the device you want to assign a static IP to. Our video on how to find the MAC address of your NIC in Windows and Linux systems might help you. The link is in the description below. Enter the desired IP address within the DHCP range. For example, if the DHCP range is from 192.168.1.2 to 192.168.1.99, you can make the DHCP static IP 192.168.1.90. Our video on how to change the DHCP range in your router might help you. The link is in the description below. Pick an IP address within your router's DHCP range that isn't currently used by another device on your network. Save and restart. Save your changes, and you may need to restart your router and your device for the changes to take effect. These steps might vary slightly depending on your router's brand and model, so it's a good idea to consult your router's manual or support website for specific instructions. Summary: when we want to assign a static IP address to a device, we can do that either from the device settings, where we manually set the static IP address, or from the router itself. Both will work. However, it's important to note that, when we set the static IP from the device settings, it's safer to set it outside of the DHCP range. When we set the static IP from the router itself, DHCP reservation, we need to set it within the DHCP range. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.